so we're working on cleaning the cabinets out here, and we're going to use the Rejuvenate cabinet and furniture cleaner. Also using steel cleaner here, getting this all cleaned up. And the cabinets over here as well. Gotta fix that door. I gotta do that, and the cabinets over here. And then doing the bathroom here. Finishing the bathroom here. And then the overview of the other stuff is we got to put new closet rods in. One here, off in there. One here, off in there. Okay, we got staged to put some CO2 smoke detectors. One up here. And then the other one will be, we need one in the kitchen area, so we're going to put one in here. Yes. So we put it all around here somewhere. The water heater, probably near here. Good place for it is up here. And we got to do a new door closer. Boom, that's all broke off. This is broke, that's broke. Dangerous, sharp edges. You get that. Also might want to note you got a good leak going here from your pipe. I want to get it checked out. Okay, so we're doing the first sconce in here. So we're going to do our own video for that now. Alright, so we just started working on a sconce installation. Unfortunately in this house they have knob and tube wiring, as you can see, mostly right here. So most of these are 2-prong, as you can see. So all the bedrooms do not have ceiling lights at all, or even a light on the wall. We're just plugging them in and then using the switch here to turn that outlet on. So what we're going to do is install this lamp right here, and I'm going to have to run. I took the old outlet out, and I had to run some new wire. We're going to run it to the switch so that when the switch comes on, it turns the outlet on, and it will turn on the light at the same time. So that'll be the idea. Alright, so here's the next stage of it. We put the new outlet in. Alright, so that's nice and secure. And we got the faceplate on there now. Bam. Secure. Very secure on there. It's one's to the stud, and then we got 2 anchors in the drywall around it. Brought the 2 wires in. Now we're going to go ahead and get it wired up. Alright, now we got it wired up, and now we're going to get that mounted now. So here we go. Alright, so by the activation of the switch, get the light and the outlet both come on at the same time. Boop, boop. Another option that you have here is you have a switch too that can turn it off as well. Kind of just alternates the on and off. So if you wanted to, you could leave the outlet on and turn that off manually. So however you guys want it, however a person wants to set it up, that's how it works. Boom. Alright, that one's done. Alright, so we're going to put up these smoke detectors, one here. And then we're going to install one here. So that way Alright, so we're in the progress of cleaning. Just got the top real nice. Now we're working on the inside and how bad that is. Working that out. Also, let's look at the, we've treated this with mold killer. Already resprayed it. Looks like it's starting to work on that. right. Okay, so we got the one CO2 smoke detector, and then we put one in the kitchen area because that's around the, you know, where the gas and stuff is. So that's a good place for it. All right. Now, as for the electrical I did in here, of course, you see we installed a light, GFCI there with it, and we put one in here in the bathroom. That's 2. We put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the final, and then 10 there. Alright, so we're starting with this, and I'm going to go ahead and we cleaned it up pretty good, did some mopping, cleaned the kitchen up real good, cleaned the oven. I mean, it's a lot better than it was. Looks pretty good in there. Okay, and if you remember that moldy fridge, bam, look at that. Looks real good. Oh yeah, so much better. That's what Princess does. She really makes. She really makes them. There we go. Wasn't in there, right? Okay. Yeah, she really makes that stuff clean. Real good. All right, so that's done. Okay, looks shined up. Cabinets all shined up, cleaned out. Same down here. And also this door was broke and I fixed that door too. So that's fixed. Closes perfectly now. So that's that. And of course the sink looks good. Okay, coming around, bathrooms look good. Bathrooms look as good. This needs resurfaced, but as clean as can be. Clean this up. All the drywall and dust and stuff all done. And there's no lights in here, so let's. Okay, so put the rod up. This rod, there ain't really nowhere to put it. This is already up so high, it would make no sense to have a rod here. So maybe when somebody moves in, they can determine where they would want it at. So I'll leave it there for now, because it doesn't, I don't know what to do with it. All right, and that's about it. Everything else is done on the list. All cleaned up in here, good as it's gonna get. And then the final video is the door. So I installed the lock on this though. As you see, it works real good. I believe I already had recorded this video prior to, but it works nice. And that will be it.